Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is 18-6 intermittent fasting on a plant-based diet. Started off with my first meal at 1 p.m. with a smoothie. It had 2 cups of frozen berries. I had a bag of spinach. I had 1 cup of homemade almond milk, 1 cup of coconut water. I had a tablespoon of maca powder, a tablespoon of cacao powder. I had 3 frozen bananas. I thawed for 5 minutes so I can get them in the smoothie, and blended that all up in my Vitamix. And then that was super delicious. Made just over a liter. I recommend trying this out. Let me know what you think. Then at 3 p.m. I cut up several oranges. Been loving the oranges lately. The citrus, the sumos have been really good, and the grapefruits. So we get really good citrus in the wintertime. Then at 6 p.m. I had dinner. Started with a salad. Had a bunch of mixed greens. I had a cucumber, a carrot. I have an avocado, an apple, and about a 1/4 cup of pistachios. So definitely want to get in those greens. I say I have a salad at least 5-6 days a week. Super delicious. There it is. Then just after the salad, I had 2 bowls of this homemade Thai curry vegetable soup, and that was over rice. One of my favorite dishes that I make regularly, and I had 2 homemade plant-based muffins. And thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.